Let's say you're an entrepreneur trying to impress your angel investor with a compelling pitch. With Tableau, you can create stunning visualization that will help you communicate your business potential, so you can secure the funding you need to take your business to the next level. And if you're a freelancer, you can leverage your Tableau skills to earn money and become a valuable asset to your clients. Hi there, I'm Asan, a digital marketer and data analyst. I'm passionate about helping people leverage data to make smarter decisions, and I'm excited to share my knowledge of Tableau with you. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience with Tableau. Now, before we dive into the nifty-gritty of Tableau, let me give you a quick overview of what we will learn in this video. First, I will cover the basics such as how to get Tableau software, how to set up your account. Then I will dive deep into Tableau Workspace and explain different sections. Once you are comfortable with the workspace, I will move on to generating a simple plot, then pie chart, and finally everybody's favorite donut chart. I will provide you a step-by-step tutorial how to create this visualization. If you already know the basics of Tableau, don't worry, you can skip ahead to the donut chart section. But before we dive into this tutorial, I would love your support. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will be the first to know about the latest tips and tricks about data analytics. And now, without further ado, let's get started with Tableau.
First, head to publictableau.com. It's that simple. Next, click on sign up for Tableau Public. Now enter your details, your first name, last name, email address and choose a suitable password. Click on create my account and voila, your account is created. But wait, we are not done yet. To activate your account, check your email and click on the link you have received from Tableau. You will land on the Tableau page. Click on sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password and don't forget to click on remember me for easy sign up later. Now it's time to provide information about your country or region and check the section below. Click on complete sign in and congratulations, you are officially on your way to become a data analyst. Next, click on your profile icon and head to my profile. You will land on this page and now it's time to create a viz. Click on create a viz and Tableau will ask you to upload your data. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to my video description and download the Excel file from the link given below.
This dataset contains information on the sales of a fictional company called Superstores in the United States. The dataset has information on sales, profit, product categories, customer segmentation, and geographic region.
To upload data in Tableau, start by clicking Upload from Computer and selecting Sample Store File. Once uploaded, you will arrive at the data source workspace. Here you will find all the details about the data you uploaded. In Tableau, a data source represents a connection to your original data. On the left side of the workspace, you will find the connection box, which shows your uploaded data file. Below that, the sheet box displays all the sheets in your Excel file. For example, if you have more than one sheet in your Excel file, they will appear here. At the bottom right, you will see a box containing all the columns from your Excel file. Click Update now to import and update all the values in each column. Additionally, you can see the data type for each column, such as date, character, or numeric data. Now you can access the main workspace environment in Tableau by clicking on Sheet 1 icon. Welcome to Tableau Workspace, where the magic will happen. On the left side, you will see the data plane, which displays all the fields from the data source you uploaded earlier. But don't worry, a data source is just a fancy way of saying your Excel file. Each field is grouped by its respective table, which is like a different sheet in your Excel file. Above each table, there is a horizontal line that separates dimensions from measures.
So what are dimensions? They are just the fields that contain qualitative values like names, dates and geographic data. Measures on the other hand contains numeric values that you can do math stuff with, like summation, averaging, things of sales, profit and quantity. Now let's get to the fun part. You can create different visualization by dragging and dropping fields from data plane to the shells and cards. Shells are the areas on the left and the top of the view, while cards are the small boxes that pop up when you drop a field. You can drag fields from the data plane and drop them onto the cards and shells that are part of every Tableau worksheet. The largest area in the workspace is the view, and this is where visualizations comes to life. You can build one visualization per sheet, and you can have many sheets as you want. Use the sheet tab at the bottom of workspace to add new sheets, combine them to create dashboards, and tell stories with your data. Lastly, use the toolbar to access command, analysis tool, and navigation tools. So are you ready to make your first scatter plot in Tableau? Awesome, follow my lead.
First, we need to drag and drop the fields we want to plot from the data plane to the rows and column of Tableau workspace. So let's drag the sales measures to the column shelf and profit measure to the rows shelf. But wait, why do we see only one data point on the plot? Well, that's because Tableau by default sums all the values in a column. To change this, move your cursor to each card, click on the downward pointing arrow and then click Dimensions. I will do the same for the sales card. And now we can see an actual scatter plot for sales and profit. Did you notice that some sales resulted in loss? That's right, some of the profits are negative, but that's okay, it's all part of the data. Now if you want to add a trend line to see the correlation between sales and profit, it's super easy. Just click on Analytics in the data plane and drag the trend line to the linear chart option and drop it.
Congratulations, you have successfully made your first scatter plot in Tableau. Let's keep exploring and having fun. Now get ready to make your first pie chart in Tableau.
First, click on the new worksheet icon at the bottom of the workspace to create a new worksheet. You will create a pie chart to show the total amount of sales for each category. To do this, drag the category dimension from the data plane and drop it in the row shelf. You will see three categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. Next, drag the sales measures from the data plane and drop it in the column shelf. By default, we get a bar chart, but we want a pie chart. So head over to Show Me button and change the chart type to pie chart. To make the pie chart bigger, click on the little icon named Fit and choose the entire view option. To rename sections in the pie chart with categories, just drag the category dimension and drop it on the label in the Mark Out section. Now we can see that technology products have the highest sales.
Congratulations, you have come so far. This is a remarkable achievement. We made a yummy pie chart. But ever heard of a donut chart? It's a twist on the pie chart with a great way to show data in fun and interactive way.
Click on New Worksheet icon at the bottom of Workspace to create a new worksheet. First thing first, we need to build a normal pie chart. Change your mark type to a pie chart and drag a category dimension to color. We can see our pie chart is now divided into 3 equal slices, but we want to see the sales for each product category. To do this, drag the sales dimension to angle. Now that we have our pie chart, let's make it bigger by selecting entire view. To turn this pie chart into a donut chart, we will need to duplicate it. We can do this by creating a fake axis. Double click in the column and type in 1. Then click the drop down arrow, go to measure and change the measure to minimum. Next, increase the size of pie by going to the mark card and increasing the size. Now we have created a fake axis. We will create another pie chart, a duplicate copy of the first chart. Hold down the control key and drag the minimum 1 field next to the first one. And we have 2 pie charts. Now we want to use the second one as the middle part of the donut. To do that, head over to the second chart in the mark card section. First, remove the category dimension from the color card to give one color to the whole pie. Click and drag the category dimension and drop it outside the mark section. Then we need to decrease the size of pie chart. Click on the size mark and decrease its size. Next, we want to go to the column axis and select dual axis. This allows us to overlay one chart over the other. Click on any field in the column shelf and click the dual axis. Once we have done that, we can see that the gray pie overlays the one that we have already built. To ensure our chart is accurate, we need to synchronize as axis. Right click on the one of the headers and click synchronize as axis. Now let's hide the axis by removing the show headers on both sides. This will give us a clear view. The last 2 steps are changing the gray to white by going to color in the second pie mark section, clicking on color and changing its color to white. This will make it look like we have a hole in our pie chart. Finally, we need to bring another instance of sales to the label so we can get the value of total sales in the middle. This will complete our donut chart. But wait, there is more. We can also label our first chart to show the percentage of sales done by each category. To do this, head over to first chart, drop the category dimension to the label mark. Then drop the sale measure through the label mark. Click on drop down arrow under quick table calculation, select the percentage of total. Now you can see the percentage of sales brought by each category.
Congratulations on creating a stunning donut chart in Tableau. You did an incredible job. You now have the power to create visually stunning presentation that captivates your boss, angel investors and win our potential clients. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'm always here to help and eager to hear from your feedback. Now I know crunching numbers and analyzing data can be intimidating, but don't sweat it. Whether you need project help, want to use your data analytics interview, or turn your data into insights as a business owner, I got your back. In my upcoming videos, I will be a guide to mastering Tableau, Python, R and Excel. From step-by-step tutorials to captivating data analytics case studies, I will teach you all about data analytics. Don't miss out on the data party and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That's all for now and I will catch you soon in the next video.